Our Storm Team 10 weather alert continues this morning live from DPW in Pawtucket. We are with Mayor Don Grebien, who's been there pretty much all night. Mayor, good morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm okay. How you doing? How you holding up?
Good. Listen, I'm good. Don't worry about me. It's more about the guys and the girls who've been running, constant.
24 hours plus now, huh?
Yep, they're out there. They're working hard. They're doing the best they can, and we're asking for everybody's patience. They've been doing a great job. They're pushing through, opening the streets. Then now they're going to widen them, and here's where everybody starts to get on everybody's tension. Starts building because people are going to start shoveling. We're going to start pushing back. So we're asking them just to, respect and understand. These folks have been out there, busting their tails and for, better than 24 hours. So
we're dealing with the cleanup right now. So the big message is don't take the snow from your driveway and throw it into the street, right? Because we're already dealing with a foot plus of these banks.
Yeah, and then it's going to end up back in as much as they try. But this storm, there's nowhere to go, but they keep pushing back. So it's going to end up back there. So the best we can,
In terms of the city, is City Hall open today? Operations? What about schools? What's happening in Pawtucket?
No, so schools are closed. Today is a snow day. Tomorrow, if needed, and they're going to make some decisions later on. They're going to do a virtual day if they have to. We're going to assess it later on. They're out there cleaning their lots. One of the challenges we have is naturally people are parking in the lots, so the school lots get done later on. So there's always that delay in time. City Hall's closed. All the non-essential, essential, public safety, DPW, and we also have bilingual hotlines, call-ins. They can find them on the website. We have the numbers out there, but they call. So they'll be out running constantly now. So we got people manning those, the important areas and all the emergency stuff.
We got a little bit lucky with power outages.
Yeah.
We really didn't lose power, which was great. Also, I noticed the city parking ban went into effect early. And that was a strategize you and other cities and towns took advantage of this time around, huh?
Yeah, we knew it was coming. We had to. I mean, in order to do the best service, we've got to get as many cars as we can off the street, even though, we started the ban at 10 p.m. the other night. There's been calls. There's been police up and down the streets hitting sirens. We still are out there. They've got over 300 cars that have been towed and 750 cars that have been ticketed, right? So the more we keep saying to everybody, just do us a favor, do the best you can. People are allowed to park on their front yards now just to get it off the street because we don't want to inconvenience them, but we're going to have to make sure that the streets are plowed and everybody's safe, curb to curb. So
yeah, we want to thank everybody for their service overnight.
Mayor Don Grebien, thank you so much. Live on Sunrise from Pawtucket DPW headquarters.
Thank you. Be safe and be warm.
Thank you, Mayor.